This is Ian, author of Lean Media and an Etsy seller. Today I'm going to be talking about how to customize an Etsy packing slip. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to my channel. And you're responsible for following relevant terms. And what you see may be a little bit different than what I'm about to show you. And what I'm about to show you is my standard packing slip text that we have for all of our orders. It says a note from the shop. And let's say that I just want to get rid of this second paragraph right here. That's the edit that I want to do. Or I want to change the language in some other respect. So here's how you do it. First of all, Etsy doesn't let you do it from the shipping settings, which is kind of surprising, but that's just the way that they work. What you have to do is you can change or customize the packing slip or personalize it, which I've shown how to do in another episode. But here's just how to edit the standard text that customers will see on the packing slip. So there's 3 buttons that pop up after you create a new shipping label. Under Print Packing Slips, click this little downward pointing arrow. And you'll see these options here. So for packing slip, there's customize options. Click the little downward pointing arrow, and then you'll see the text that's going there. So I just told you I'm going to delete this. So I just highlighted it, and I'm pressing delete. Good luck with your genealogy. Maybe I want to do something simple change here, or see this exclamation point. There's too many exclamation points. I'm just going to change that to a period. That's a very simple change I'm going to do. And then when I'm done, just check it again. Looks okay. You can close that, and then you can print the packing slip, and the new text will show up the way that you just edited it. For more information on how to get the most out of Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, other platforms, I have a lot of videos and a blog post about it. Go to leanmedia.org, click on video or blog. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, if you could subscribe to the channel and like the video if it helped, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media, signing off.